Hi folks, my name is Paul. I'm with Guarantee RV out here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to be looking at this 241BH Sundance by Heartland. I'm super excited to show it to you. I think you're going to love it, especially if you've got a small family. So let's jump inside, take a look. The first thing you're going to notice is all of the sleeping capacity this unit has. You've got two full-size bunk beds in the back, which will work great for little kids, big kids, adults, friends, all the above. And it does have a maximum weight rating on the top bunk of 275 pounds. So most people will be able to fit there great. It's going to be safe, easy to maneuver, and most importantly, it's going to be comfortable and private out of the way. You do have that curtain as well to close it off. You've also got a U-shaped dinette, which is fantastic. Gives you extra sleeping space, which adults can actually sleep on as compared to those little booth dinettes that you couldn't probably get into if you dreamed to. You're also going to have your master bedroom, which is going to have walk around on either side as well as barn doors. Closes it off, sleeping an additional 2 people, which gets you up to that 8-person sleeping capacity. The kitchen has actually got a lot of space. You've got a single sink, or full stainless steel, excuse me. You've got overhead storage in here for all your pots, pans, dishes, glasses, all that good stuff. Microwave with a hood combo, 3-burner stove, and an oven, of course. Lots of storage underneath. These are full-length drawers as well, so you are going to be able to fit all of your utensils in there. And this one has even got a fireplace, which is awesome. Yes, it does actually heat. And then you've got your control panel right there, your Bluetooth AM/FM radio, all of that good stuff, all in one single cohesive spot with the TV mounted right above it, which is just awesome. I'm really glad that they decided to put these together. Going into the back of the unit here, you see you've got some extra over-under storage, full length as well. You can carry a ton of stuff in there, and there's even storage underneath the bunk bed that's angled back toward that window. Going into the bathroom, you've got a huge shower with a really shallow tub. You do have a skylight in there as well for a little bit of extra height if you got a taller person going in there. Make it a lot more comfortable, and you're not going to be bumping your elbows up against the walls like in a lot of smaller bathrooms. Lots of space around the toilet. Great counter setup, mirror, and extra storage as well for all your towels and any other bathroom amenities that you'd need to bring with you. This does have fully ducted AC as well as ducted heat, which is great. Fully enclosed underbelly, heated, and all that good stuff. So this thing's going to last you throughout the year. You can use this trailer. If you take care of it, it'll last you a very long time, and it does have a crown ceiling as well, which is just awesome for water runoff. It's going to give you little to no pooling up top and make overall roof maintenance a lot simpler for you and your family. All right, folks, thank you so much for taking a look with me. If you have any questions on this unit or any others that we have on the lot, I look forward to hearing from you. My number is 541-510-3584, and I pretty much live here, so call anytime.